From visitmysmokies.com, it's the Funcast. We have recently freshened up our website with all kinds of new winter decorations. You know, the actual change of seasons is coming soon. We're less than 2 weeks away from Christmas. I'm your Smoky Mountain meteorologist, Paul Poteet, with some more wintry weather in the 7-day forecast in just a few moments. I'll tell you about our latest chances of snow. We're creeping closer and closer not only to Christmas, but also to New Year's Eve, which is a big deal in the Smokies. From that Space Needle, the 33rd annual New Year's Eve ball drop and fireworks show. You're encouraged to arrive early because a lot of businesses and restaurants will be doing celebration specials that you can read all about on our website. Live DJ entertainment begins at 10 o'clock. Have you thought about the Titanic during the Christmas holiday season? The beauty and the charm of once upon a time Edwardian Christmas. More than $100,000 has been invested in all the trimmings, twinkling lights, lush garlands, wreaths, towering Christmas trees, and a cheery costume crew of merrymakers. You can go ice skating at a resort. Ice skating at Wilderness of the Smokies is where they have a 3,200 square foot portion of their outdoor wave pool that's been converted into a real live ice skating rink. Hotel guests and the public can take in the holiday air and have fun together. They've got music. They got holiday lights there also. And we've got new restaurants in the area. There's a story about it in the Things to Know section of visitmysmokies.com. Ristorante della Sentina is an authentic Italian meal that's waiting for you at an affordable price. They have fresh seafood flown in 3 times a week. 21-day dry-aged filet mignon, freshly sliced antipasto plates, tiramisu made fresh daily, so much more. And plus, you can either dine indoors or enjoy the view there. You get a river view if it's nice enough to be outside. They're in Sevierville, and there is a brand new food truck in Sevierville also, Wacky Tacky Taco. They've got build-your-own tacos, signature tacos, your choice of different types of bases and then fillings for the tacos. That's at 2900 Birds Creek Road in Sevierville. And there's a new Cinnaholic location in Pigeon Forge. Build your own cinnamon roll or choose one of their best-selling combos. They're in the Tower Shops at the Mountain Mile in Pigeon Forge. And the weekend finished with 4 trails open at Ober-Gatlinburg, and they were wrapping up the weekend with a 15 to 25-inch base of snow. I think they'll be able to continue to make it as we move into the first few days of the brand new week. And there will be a little bit of snow that could mix in with some rain on Monday morning in higher elevations. Temperatures in the mid-40s, and we get up close to 50 on Tuesday. Another storm brings us a rain, maybe snow mix on Wednesday morning, changing to all rain. There could be a little bit of accumulating snow, higher elevations Wednesday morning. Looks dry, a little bit warmer heading into the weekend with highs around 50 Friday and Saturday, and then more rain come Sunday. And more information coming soon when you visit mysmokies.com.